made it to the west branch of the Sable River. We are about to get on the water. Curtis is rigging up. Nice fish. Alright, get your face in there so we know it's you. What do you think of your west branch of the Sable River fishing trip so far? Alright, how many fish you caught today?
3 that I've touched.
3 that you've touched. How many fish do you think you've lost today? Yeah. I think I touched, what did I touch 2 and probably bites on about the same amount, so I think we're going to give this a, I'm going to actually videotape you a little bit fishing. You might see if you want to pluck another one out of there. Let's see, hook one. And we got that. You all right? Oh yeah, we got all that on tape. Happens to everybody. At least he didn't break his rod. I busted. Nice fish. Go easy and bring him up into this stuff. Oh, that's a good fish.
Don't stand too close without apologies. I remember
It's worth the pain. Oh, you're fishing a tandem rig off that? Ah. Hand me that back. I want to get a good shot of you with him. Very nice. Fish number 3 of the day for Curtis.